Perimeter and circumference. Perimeter. The word perimeter is a noun. It is Greek in origin, and it came from two different words, peri, which means around, and metron, which means measure. The perimeter of a shape is the distance around it. Perimeter of shapes. Since the perimeter is the distance around the shape, finding the perimeter of polygons is quite easy. Simply add all the sides of the given figure. So we can have this side added to the length of this side, added to the length of the third side, plus the length of the last side. The above mentioned method can be used both for regular or irregular polygons. Square. It would be better to know the concept of perimeter than to simply memorize the formula. To find the perimeter of a square, we need to add all the sides. So we have the perimeter equal to this side plus this side plus this side plus the last side. But all the sides of a square measure the same. So therefore, the perimeter is simply 4s. Example. Find the perimeter of a square whose side measures 3 centimeters. Solution. Perimeter is equal to 4s, or 4 times the side. So P is equal to 4 times 3 centimeters. And P is now 12 centimeters. Answer. The perimeter of the square is 12 centimeters. Rectangle. To find the perimeter of a rectangle, we need to add all the sides. Perimeter is equal to the length plus the length plus the width plus the width. Notice that the length and the width were repeated twice. So we can rewrite the formula as perimeter is equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So the perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2W. Example. Find the perimeter of a rectangle where the length measures 5 centimeters and width 4 centimeters. Solution. Perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2W. So the perimeter will be equal to 2 times 5 plus 2 times 4. And this is equal to 10 plus 8, which is 18 centimeters. Answer. The perimeter of the rectangle is 18 centimeters. Triangle. A triangle is made up of 3 sides. To find the perimeter, all we need to do is to add all the sides. So the perimeter will be equal to side A, added to side B, added to side C. Example. Find the perimeter of the triangle below. Solution. Perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. So therefore, the perimeter will be 5 plus 4 plus 5. The perimeter is equal to 14 centimeters. Answer. The perimeter is 14 centimeters. Circumference. Finding the perimeter of a circle can be quite problematic, simply because the circle is not formed by joining lines together unlike that of polygons. In order to find the distance around the circle, the circumference is used. The circumference can be found by using the formula C is equal to pi d, where d stands for the diameter. But recall that the diameter is equal to twice the radius, or 2r. So by substitution, our circumference can be written as 2 pi r. The formula for the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Example: find the circumference of the circle shown below. The radius is equal to 3.2 centimeters. Solution: C is equal to 2 pi r, and C is equal to 2 times 3.2 times pi. Therefore, the circumference is equal to 6.4 pi, or 20.11 centimeters, correct to 2 decimal places. Answer: the circumference of the circle is 20.11 centimeters. What is pi? You might notice that on the previous slides, we used the pi value in finding the circumference. Pi is actually an alphabet. It is the 16th letter in the Greek alphabet. In mathematics, pi is the ratio between the circumference of a circle divided by its diameter. It became a mathematical constant because no matter what the size of the circle is, the ratio between the circumference and the diameter will always produce a constant value, which is pi. The pi is a non-repeating, non-terminating decimal. Non-repeating because there is no pattern in which the digit in the decimals appears. Non-terminating simply because the digits do not end. In line with this, mathematicians and programmers are using their skills in finding the nth digit of pi. Irregular shape. The perimeter of an irregular shape is found by simply adding all of its sides. We have this side, which is 2 centimeters, added to this side, which is also 2 centimeters, plus this side, which is 5 centimeters, plus this side, which is 2 centimeters, plus the bottom part, which is 7 centimeters, and we have the other side, or the last side, which is 4 centimeters. So the solution: the perimeter is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 4. So the perimeter is equal to 22 centimeters. Answer: the perimeter of the shape is 22 centimeters. Note: you can test your understanding by answering the exercises linked to this page. Thank you for listening.